Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Analytics with your Hubspot content in 2025. This process is super important if you want to get deeper insights into how your content performs because it combines the powerful tracking features of Google Analytics with the content management system inside Hubspot. Let's get started. First, log into your Hubspot account. From here, go to the Trial Guide dashboard. This is where most of your setup options live. Spend a little time getting comfortable with the layout because everything you'll need for this integration sits here. Now, the next step is to head over to Settings. Think of the Settings tab as the control center for your entire HubSpot platform. This is where you manage customizations and, of course, integrations like the one we're about to set up. Once you're inside Settings, click on Content. Content is the heart of HubSpot. It's where all your website pages, blogs, and landing pages are managed. From there, go to the Pages section. This is where you can view every page you've built, and it's also where we'll be applying our Google Analytics tracking. Now, let's move on to the exciting part. Click on Integrations. This is the section that allows HubSpot to connect with other platforms and tools. Look for the option that says Integrate with Google Analytics 4. Clicking this will prompt you to connect your Google Analytics account. Once linked, HubSpot will sync with GA4 and start feeding data like visitor behavior, page views, and engagement metrics directly from your HubSpot pages into your analytics reports. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Analytics with your HubSpot content. From here on, you'll get a much more enriched view of your content's performance. You'll be able to see how users interact with your pages and use that data to improve your strategy, boost conversions, and grow your business smarter. So that's the simple but powerful process of combining HubSpot's content management with Google Analytics tracking tools. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.